Understanding benign prostatic hyperplasia, or enlarged prostate. Signs, symptoms, and natural health tips. Are you experiencing frequent bathroom trips, especially at night? Or perhaps you've noticed a decrease in urine flow? These could be signs of a common condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH for short. Understanding BPH is crucial, particularly for men as they age. It's a condition that involves the enlargement of the prostate gland. This enlargement can lead to uncomfortable urinary symptoms. But what exactly causes BPH? Let's dive deeper. The prostate is a small gland that plays a vital role in male reproductive health. As men age, the prostate can grow larger, which may lead to BPH. This growth is not cancerous, but can affect quality of life. BPH can only be diagnosed by confirmation that there is no cancer of the prostate. About 50% of men between the ages of 51 and 60 have BPH, and that number jumps to 70% among men aged 60 to 69 and around 80% of men over 70 years of age. BPH can become prostate cancer, so needs regular monitoring and blood tests known as PSA tests. Signs of BPH can vary but often include difficulty starting urination, a weak urine stream, and the sensation that the bladder isn't fully empty. These symptoms can disrupt daily life and sleep patterns significantly. In more severe cases, BPH can lead to urinary tract infections, bladder stones, or even kidney damage. It's not just a simple inconvenience, it's a condition that can have serious health implications if not addressed. But there's good news. Lifestyle changes and natural remedies can play a significant role in managing BPH symptoms and improving prostate health. Let's explore how. First, diet matters. Increasing the intake of fruits and vegetables while reducing red meat and processed foods can benefit the prostate. Foods rich in antioxidants are particularly beneficial. Tomatoes and other fruits and vegetables that contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables that contain complex compounds that may help the prostate. Green tea, which has many health benefits and antioxidants. Legumes, soybeans, beans, and seeds, which are rich in plant-based proteins and fiber. Pomegranate juice, which may have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Regular exercise is also key. Even moderate physical activity can help reduce BPH symptoms. It's about keeping the body moving and healthy. Hydration is crucial but in balance. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day while reducing fluid intake in the evening can help manage nocturia, the frequent need to urinate at night. Certain natural supplements have shown promise in supporting prostate health. Saw palmetto, for example, has been widely studied for its potential benefits in managing BPH symptoms. I will leave a link in the description for you to check that out. Stress management techniques such as yoga, meditation, or simply taking time to relax can also have a positive impact. Stress can exacerbate symptoms, so finding ways to unwind is important. Lastly, BPH can develop into prostate cancer. Research has shown that men who ejaculate at least 21 times a month had significantly reduced symptoms of enlarged prostate and a 20% lower chance of prostate cancer. 1 in every 8 men will develop prostate cancer. It's essential to have regular PSA tests and checkups with a healthcare provider. Early detection and monitoring can make a significant difference in managing BPH effectively. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Stay informed, stay healthy. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel. It's free for you and helps support us to make more educational videos about health and well-being.